G'day everyone. I've had a couple of requests on how to make dark purple. So we've got these two colours here, magenta and cyan blue. Okay, so we'll start off with adding some magenta, okay, and then some cyan blue, okay. You can use ultramarine blue or any blue. Okay. So start off with a small amount on the palette knife here and just mix it up with the magenta. How's that look? It's purple. Make it a bit darker, add a bit more blue. Darker. And we'll keep going darker and darker and darker. Okay? Now this is getting pretty dark now. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to make it darker again by adding the last amount of blue. Okay, add this to the paper. Okay, so there you go. You've got some purples there and then some really dark purples. I hope you loved my video. Please subscribe. I'll see you all later.